thank you for your interest in our island. Please join us for a virtual tour of all it has to offer. It's easy to leave the hustle and bustle of everyday life behind while you take in our island's incredible scenery. Be sure to stop by this fabulous property. The owner is always happy to show off their decor. While you're here, say hello to our island's vibrant residents. You might even make a new friend. So, what do you think? Are you ready to see the sights? We hope to see you soon.